Welcome to Microscope Adventures, geology enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a microscopic journey to a familiar, yet fascinating material, sand. Sand seems simple, but under the microscope, it reveals a hidden world of diversity and history. Let's use the microscope. We have a prepared slide with a sample of sand. Let's see the incredible variety hidden within this simple sample. Wow, look at the different shapes and sizes. We have some rounded grains, some angular, and some almost like tiny shards. See this smooth, rounded grain. Its smooth surface suggests it's been tumbled by water or wind for a long time. This angular grain, however, might have originated from a recent rock breakdown. Sand isn't just about beaches and desert. These tiny particles are used in construction materials like concrete and glass. By using our microscope, we were able to see the remarkable diversity hidden within a simple grain of sand. Each particle tells a story about its origin, and together they shape our planet's landscapes and even contribute to modern materials. Sand may seem simple, but its story is vast and complex. What other seemingly ordinary materials are you curious about? Leave a comment below, and let's explore them together in our next microscope adventure.